What is city-wise promotion? Have you ever noticed how different cities have their own unique vibe? Whether you're in Delhi, Mumbai, or Bangalore, each city has its own trends, likes, and even ways of shopping. That's where city-wise promotion comes in. City-wise promotion is all about helping businesses reach people based on where they live. It's like tailoring your message specifically for each city, so it connects better with the local audience. What makes city-wise promotion important? Why is this so important? Well, people in different cities have different needs. By focusing your marketing on a city level, you can offer what's more relevant to them. This means your business stands out because it's speaking their language, literally and figuratively. The key elements. 1. Understanding the local audience. The first key to successful city-wise promotion is understanding the people who live there. What are they interested in? What are their shopping habits? The better you understand this, the easier it is to connect with them. 2. Using targeted ads. Next up, targeted ads. You can run ads specifically for each city, so only the people in that area see them. It's like showing people exactly what they're looking for without wasting money on a broad audience. 3. Customized offers for each city. Lastly, creating customized offers. Different cities have different festivals and events, right? You can offer city-specific deals during local festivals, which makes your promotion even more special to the local crowd. When you combine these elements, understanding the local audience, using targeted ads, and offering customized deals, your city-wise promotion can be super successful. At Dial 4 Web, we know how important it is to make your business shine in every city. That's why we offer expert city-wise promotion services to help you reach the right people, in the right place, at the right time. Let's make your business a local hero in every city. Contact Dial 4 Web today at +9 1852 711 7507 and let's grow your business together. Visit our website www.dial4web.com to learn more. Thanks for watching.